besties, what's good? Today I'm gonna be doing a Desi inspired look, not like super bridal, but like, you know. I'm gonna start off with concealer. A little goes a long way. Now that I look like a ghost, I'm going to take a transition shade to start off. So today I wanted to discuss a topic that's very important to me, and that is the topic of representation for brown people in the media. Representation for people of color in general has definitely gotten better, but I still barely ever see brown people in the media. And people of color in general, when they are presented, they are almost always presented as the funny side character or a stereotype. And that's very disheartening for someone that aspires to be an actor. I know it's a pretty far-fetched dream, but like, anything's possible, right? And without a doubt, a ton of people are probably going to gaslight me for saying this shit, because that's usually what happens. But whether people want to admit it or not, it is an issue that is very, very much real. It definitely needs to be fixed. I think a ton of people that aspire to be actors or in the media or in Hollywood or on Broadway or anything like that, I feel like they're just very, very often disheartened, and it's really hard to have hope going into the industry when there is such a problem of low representation for us and generally normalized racism. And I really do believe that the best way to stop normalized racism is to have that representation in the media. I don't think that it is something that is going to happen immediately, obviously, but bringing awareness will start hopefully pushing the media in the right direction. Now, a little piece of advice I wish that would have been given to me, as I am still going through the hardship of dealing with lack of representation, is that there is going to be a change, someday at least. I don't know when that's going to be. I don't know how long it's going to take, but even though I know this is really hard, and I often struggle doing this too, but keeping your hope in other people fairly strong will hopefully lead us in the right direction. And I do think that we are making some progress with at least bringing awareness to representation and people understanding that the stereotype is often emphasized by the media. There's obviously still a long ways to go. Alright, so I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of a brighter red mixed with a deeper red, and I'm going to try to blend this all together. I am looking a bit splotchy. This I'm probably going to need later. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of this again, and I'm going to make a little halo in the middle because I want to add some gold, and I want to wet it both sides to get it nice and flat. I've mapped out my little halos. I'm going to take this like creamy liquid gold eyeshadow. I don't really know what company this is from. I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon though. I'm going to take that same brush. I'm going to use Juvia's Place, the Magic Minis palette. Literally the most amazingly pigmented, gorgeous gold shade. I'm just going to take that same shade, pop it in the inner corner. I'm also going to go over top with like highlighter and such. I'm just going to blend this out so that there's no harsh edges. It's like last second, but I am going to try to deepen up this a little bit because it is not as dramatic as I would like it to be. Take the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm pretty sure this is a dupe. Again, pretty much all my Huda Beauty products are probably dupes. So I'm gonna take Fiji and Seychelles, and just to give it a little pop. I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. going to take the Pixie Exfoliating Toner, which, by the way, I got on sale. I know that there's going to be makeup residue. I'm going to make sure that that is off. Just prep my lips because I am going to be putting on a little bit of lippy. I'm just gonna take some color correcting concealers. Blend it all out. Put some Carmex on my lips. On some mascara. Of course, this is my holy grail Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. So, ombre lip because this red is very intense. And I'm also just gonna go back into that Huda Beauty palette, and I usually just take all the gold shades and just... Since I'm short on time, I cannot do any more, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and please tune in next time. Bye!